So today we're doing a chatty get ready with me. I hope that this sounds a little bit better in this video because I don't have my air conditioner on today because it's not blazing hot. So that's a positive. I thought I would go back to my roots here and do my makeup on camera. I figured we would do some tags, like the get to know me tag, the TMI tag, something like that along those lines. Okay, got my questions up. So let me get started on my makeup. First, we're going to moisturize the skin, and I'm going to use some aloe because it's natural and good for you. So, that's probably too much. Oh well. Okay, so question number 1 of the Get to Know Me tag that I have pulled up is, what is your full name? My name is Brianna Brown. I'm not telling you my middle name so you don't steal my identity. I don't know. Maybe you don't need my middle name to do that. Yeah, I don't really go by my first name, my full first name. I just go by Bri most of the time, which is ironic because when I was a kid, I really hated when people would call me Bri. I'd be like, my name's Brianna. Thanks. Question number 2 is, what is your zodiac sign? And I am a Scorpio, through and through Scorpio. So the foundation we're using, oh my god, why do you do this? Is the Wet n Wild, I think this is the Photo Finish foundation? Photo Focus. I think Photo Finish is another brand, sorry. We're gonna put quite a bit on because, you know, I'm a full coverage bitch. Get that mustache going. Yes. The next question, wait, I don't think that's right. What are 3 fears? I would say spiders, but I don't think I'm really scared of spiders. I don't like with spiders. I don't f with spiders. If I ever see one, depending on the size of the spider and the color of the spider, I will ask someone else to do it for me. Driving into water for sure is one of my fears. That's just scary. And what's a third one? I don't know, just failure? Don't get me wrong, I've failed at a lot of things in life, and that's how you learn, is through failure. But just failure as a whole, like not doing things that I want to do in my life. 3 things I love. I would say my cat, for sure, my boyfriend, and my family. Yeah, like my dad and my brother and my close family. Best friend. Don't open things with your teeth, kids. I don't know. I have close friends. I don't really like to say like one's my best friend because then I feel like my other friends would get offended, if that makes sense. Oh, the concealer that I'm using is the NYX HD Studio Concealer. It's really cheap. I like it a lot. This might be too much, honestly. But it is what it is. Okay, okay, best friend. I have a lot of close friends. I don't want to say one's my best friend over the others because I don't want to offend anybody. The last song I listened to, this is it. Got drugs if you need them. Open up, show my covers if you want to sleep. But this we're both pretty. I got love, fucking my name. I need to set my under eyes and probably my whole face. I usually don't do that just because I don't like powders. It makes my skin feel so dry. But also I don't like whenever it's sticky because I feel like my makeup will just all come off. So I'm going to use the RCMA No Color Powder. You want to use a really light hand whenever you do this. A lot of people pat whenever they do it, but I just use a really light hand and swirl that son of a around on my face. How many tattoos / piercings do I have? I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows while I answer this question. Yeah, I have 6 tattoos right now. I don't have a lot of piercings anymore. I did. I only have my belly button right now, and my ears are pierced, so I don't ever wear earrings, but I had my belly button double pierced, so the top and the bottom. It was so cute. I had my tongue pierced. I had my lip pierced at one time, but that's another story for another day. I had my tragus pierced. My nose. I had my nostril pierced and my septum. My septum actually fell out in the shower. That was the most painful piercing I had ever had, was my septum. It sucked. The reason I started blogging, and I don't blog, I make YouTube videos, but the reason I started was because I've been watching YouTube since I was probably 13, so that would be 2007. I really need to pluck my eyebrows. How I feel right now. Jesus, I dropped it. How I feel right now. I feel good. Life is great. I feel a little thirsty. I left my coffee in my car. I just remembered that. I'm not gonna go get it now. Next question, something I really want. Chicken nuggets. Your current relationship status. I have a boyfriend. Insert all the pictures. We cute, okay? We're cute as we're actually going to film together. He's going to do my makeup, and we're also going to do the boyfriend tag, so keep your eyes out for that. My favorite movie, 2. I'm going to name 2. One is definitely Howl's Moving Castle. The second one would definitely have to be Ted 2. My favorite band. I really like all of the classic rock bands like AC/DC, Metallica, Black Sabbath, Rolling Stones. Creedence Clearwater Revival is definitely way up there in my favorites. I love their music. But current artists or current bands, I would have to say it has to be the Lumineers. Things that upset me. When I order food and it's not done properly. My favorite holiday. Halloween. Halloween just has such a good vibe around it. I need to continue doing my makeup. I'm just answering the questions and not doing my makeup. So for my contour / bronzer, I'm going to be using this Catrice Prime and Fine Professional Contouring Palette, and I'm just taking this IT Cosmetics brush that has hair on it. That's sanitary. A confession. What can I confess? Oh, I just thought of one. One time I thought it would be a good idea. By one time I mean literally this year in January. I thought it would be, no, it was last year. Last year in like December. I thought it would be a great idea to bleach my own hair. I've had like 8 different hair colors in the past year. Like I started out as red with my side shaved, and then I worked my way to like blonde. Then I went back to red. No, then I went dark brown. I went dark brown and I didn't give myself, I got bangs. And after that, then I went back to red once my bangs grew out. Then I went to purple. Then I decided to bleach my own hair, and the purple hair dye and the bleach reacted to a really funky color, and my hair turned like a weird splotchy, terrible pink. I ended up actually burning my scalp whenever I decided to bleach my own hair. It was a terrible decision. Definitely go to a professional. I know there's a million videos on YouTube where they're like, I bleached my own hair. And you're like, wow, that didn't turn out too bad. Don't do it. Don't do it. Go to a professional right now. If you're thinking of going to Sally's and getting hair bleach and doing it yourself, don't do it. Don't. But here's what I ended up doing. I ended up putting Manic Panic pink hair color. And this is what my hair looked like. Whew. My pets. I have a cat. Her name is Luna. This is Luna. She blends in with the wall. I'll hold it right here. This is Luna. She hates me right now because she doesn't like this. See? Bye. Something that's currently worrying me. Not a damn thing. Something that's constantly on my mind. Food. One word that describes me. Obnoxious. I could think of a lot of words. Funny. You're probably watching this like, you're not funny. Bye. If you think I am funny though, be sure to click that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you get notified every time I upload. What's my favorite quote? This was on the last one, I didn't answer it, but since it's on this one, I will go ahead and answer it. I would always rather be happy than dignified. It's from Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte, which is one of my favorite books. This is the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Just drench it. And then who should answer these questions next? I don't really have any YouTube friends. If you want to be YouTube friends, let me know. That'd be great. but whoever wants to answer them should go ahead and answer them. I think it's a great idea for people who are smaller channels like myself, who are trying to get, you know, something going. I think it's great. So if you want to do it, do it. I support you and your decisions. That was it for today's video. Today we did my makeup. I hope you like it. That highlight is amazing. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.